Nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac at 994 Riverwalk Court, Henderson, this charming home invites you into a world of comfort and style. With 4 bedrooms and a generous loft, it perfectly separates the primary suite from the other sleeping areas, ensuring privacy and tranquility. The heart of this residence is a beautifully appointed kitchen, featuring a center island, new granite countertops, and a fresh update with painted cabinets and new carpets that radiate modern elegance. Step outside to enjoy a covered patio, ideal for relaxing or hosting gatherings in a picturesque setting. Tile flooring throughout makes for an easy maintenance home, ideal for both lively family living and plush entertaining. Every corner of this house whispers elegance while offering practical everyday living solutions. Call Jill Amsel at 702-683-6563 to book a showing.